are you doing, Haley? I kind of want to look for Tanner, just not like hide with him. This is gonna be funny. I don't feel like hiding our phone. Haley, what are you doing?
I need a light because I cannot see his ignition.
It's.
And I'm trying to do this with my left hand, so right here. I know, but I can't.
My fingers.
Can't move.
You need like a narration. Okay, bye, Haley.
Uh-oh. No, she is not.
It's because she's so short.
Oh, fuck Sanders.
No, she's not.
Get out of my car.
It sounds like my mom and her boyfriend when they fight. Out of my car.
No. Mom, Haley's stuck in my car.
Oh, she knows.
Wow, what badass. She's revving a Nissan's engine. Get out.
Come
on, right here.
all over your car.
Right here.
All over your
Right here, baby.
car.
Come on.
Hey!
Look.
We're not having conversation.
Take your pants. Tell her. She did it.
Bye, Sanders.
Look, they're taking my car. Watch, she's gonna undo the emergency brake and it's gonna smash into that car. My mom is gonna get mad at you.
My mom can get mad at you. Wow. It sounds like my mom and her boyfriend's when they fight. Get out of my car.
Get out.
What are you doing?
She's putting frosting all over my car. Look.
She's not.
Yes, she's going to. Look.
What are you doing?
Give me the keys.
This is great.
Where'd Tanner go?
Smells like gasoline.
He's hiding.
I think he read my car.
The
tank is now empty. Out of the car. Lock the door.
Okay, give me the keys. Make him come over here and give Haley a hug.
Sanders, go give her. Tanner, she wants a truth. Give her a hug.
No, she doesn't. Look at her hand. That is not a truth to me.
Oh, it's not. It's a hug.
As she holds it like this in her hand, like a whole handful.
You know what, man?
You did not just give me shit on me.
No, it's even his heart. Get your ass down here, man up. Because if I'm wearing it, bitch, you're gonna wear it too.
Don't!
No! No! This hand will have to kill you. Because I have
Spray
to
you
pay
with the
for it.
hose.
Put it on the windows. No. Yeah.
Don't!
I'm just kidding.
Make a smiley face.
No,
you're fine. Draw a penis.
Put it on my shirt.
No, you're good. Don't!
Sanders.
Don't!
Sanders, you're bigger than she is.
I don't want frosting.
You're bigger than
I did this on my birthday. I don't want to do it again. You're still recording this, right?
Sanders, you're bigger than she is. You can take her and just all over her.
YouTube. I knew something. There's a hose up here.
Whoa, I almost fell. He's afraid of her.
We gotta go find this.
Oh, nice going, dumbass. You gave her the hint.